Imagine the power goes out. Not just for an hour, but for good. In the first few minutes, you'll think it's a minor inconvenience. You'll light a candle, check your fridge, and wait for the bars to return. But while you're waiting, a clock has already started ticking. In the world of disaster preparedness, we call this the 72-hour rule. It's the thin line between a temporary crisis and total societal collapse. FEMA and the Red Cross admit they cannot reach everyone instantly. For the next 3 days, you are officially on your own. And in these first 72 hours, the greatest threat isn't the disaster itself. It's the millions of people who didn't prepare. Welcome to Drawpocalypse. Today, we're drawing the timeline of a collapse. Let's look at day one. Day one is the phase of denial. People tell themselves the power will be back by dinner. They stay in their comfort zones. But soon, the grocery panic begins. Thousands of people rush to the stores at once, buying things they don't even know how to cook. Modern supply chains are fragile. Most stores only carry a 3-day supply of fresh food. By hour 12, the just-in-time system breaks. ATMs go offline. Credit cards become useless plastic. If you don't have cash, you're already out of the game. By the end of day one, the polite smiles start to fade. The reality that help is not coming begins to poison the air. Day two. The denial is gone, replaced by raw desperation. This is when the normalcy bias officially shatters for the masses. Water is the first real crisis. Faucets sputter and die as city pumps lose pressure. People start looking at the local pond with hungry eyes. Gas stations become kill zones. Without fuel, there is no escape and no heating. A 5-gallon jug is now worth more than a bank account. Cell towers die as backup batteries drain. You are now in the silent phase. No news, no internet, just rumors and shadows. By hour 48, the invisible threats emerge. Spoiling food and dead fridges and the lack of sanitation create the first wave of illness. Day 3, hour 72. The social contract is officially torn to pieces. Desperation turns into organized chaos. This is when the raiders appear. Not just criminals, but your neighbors who didn't prepare and have children to feed. Pharmacies and liquor stores are the first to be gutted. Medicine becomes the new gold, and alcohol becomes the only comfort left. By now, the authorities are overwhelmed. Fire trucks and police are stuck in gridlock or staying home to protect their own families. If you are seen, you are a target. If you have smoke coming from your chimney or lights in your window, you are inviting the mob. You don't beat the 72-hour rule on day 3. You beat it by being the gray man on day 0. Stay off the streets. Keep your house dark. Have 3 weeks of water and food hidden before the first light flickers. Preparation is the difference between being a victim and being a survivor. While they panic, you execute your plan. Subscribe to Drawpocalypse. We don't just show you the end, we show you how to draw your way out of it. Stay alert, stay prepared, stay dark. See you in the next collapse.